In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an accounts aging report in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard, where you can access the tools and financial information connected to your business. Make sure you're using the correct account so the report reflects the right invoice data. Next, look to the left-hand menu and select Reports. This area is where FreshBooks organizes your financial summaries, making it easier to track revenue, expenses, and unpaid balances. After opening the Reports section, find the Accounts Aging report in the list of available reports. Depending on your account layout, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. When you see Accounts Aging, click on it to open the report. This will take you to the report view where FreshBooks displays unpaid invoices and organizes them based on how overdue they are. Before reviewing the details, choose the reporting date or period you want to use. This is important because the aging report is based on a specific point in time, so selecting the right date helps ensure your numbers are accurate for your review. After choosing the date range, apply the date selection so the report updates. Once refreshed, start reviewing the outstanding invoices shown in the report. You'll be able to see unpaid balances and identify which invoices are still open. From there, check the aging categories. FreshBooks typically groups balances into time periods such as current, 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and over 90 days. These categories help you quickly understand how long payments have been outstanding and which balances may need immediate follow-up. Next, review the customer balances. Go through the report and verify the outstanding amount listed for each client. This is especially useful if you're monitoring overdue payments, preparing for collections, or simply keeping your accounts receivable organized. If needed, you can also apply any available filters to refine the report. Filters can help narrow the information you're viewing, making it easier to focus on a specific set of invoices or clients. Once everything looks right, use the export, print, or sharing options if you need to save the report. Send it to someone else, or keep a copy for your records. Finally, review the completed report one last time and confirm that it contains the aging details you need. Thanks for watching.